Welcome. This meditation is best done lying down and with your eyes closed. Please make sure you're comfortable. If you need to, pause this recording so that you can pop a bolster under your knees, a pillow under your head, and maybe have a blanket close by. Beginning the meditation by focusing on your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Finding your own natural rhythm. Gently watching the belly rise and fall. If thoughts arise in the mind, that's okay, it's perfectly normal. Simply come back to your breath, watching your belly, or coming back to my voice. And another strategy with your eyes closed is to look downward towards the belly. Now imagining yourself on a pristine, clean, sandy beach. You're standing there on the warm sand, the sun high in the sky, beaming down upon you. It feels delicious. Bright blue sky and a calm ocean. The warmth of the sun on your skin is invigorating. It makes you want to go and have a swim. So go ahead. Walk down towards the water's edge, aware of the sand beneath your toes. You are the only person on the beach. It is calm and serene. You make your way into the water. It's so cooling on your skin. It feels amazing. You want to dive under the water wetting your entire body. And as you come back up to the surface, you decide to float on your back. The water gently holding you. The coolness against your skin with the warmth of the sun on your face is incredible. And right here and right now, you feel as free as a bird. All your cares and worries drift away on the ocean. Your entire body is relaxed. Your arms out wide. Just being totally present to the moment. To your body floating. Maybe you're smiling because it feels so incredible. Your breath is so relaxed now. And you have so much space around you. Becoming aware of your body floating in the ocean. How does it feel? How does your body feel right now? And all of a sudden, you feel playful. You want to duck and dive under the water. You want to splash and play like a child. It feels so good to just let go of all your inhibitions and play. You might run for a little while. Jump up and down. Just enjoying being playful. You gaze at the beach. and take in its beauty as you begin to walk back to the shore. Being totally present to the moment and how you feel walking out of the water, walking onto the warm sand, and you decide to lie down. Just savor the experience you've just had. Becoming aware of your breath, breathing in and out. In and out. Feeling totally rejuvenated. With the next in-breath, gently wiggle your toes and fingers and bring some movement back into your body. You can open your eyes when you're ready. I do hope you've enjoyed this meditation. Please press the subscribe button for more and the notifications bell if you would like a reminder every day to incorporate just 10 minutes of meditation into your day. I wish you all the very best.